Okay? To express something as a function means exactly what you would think it means if you were basically saying solve for y, right? So solve for some variable, and then that's the variable that you isolate as your function. Okay, so here, if it says take this equation, 4s plus 15t equals 9, and you want to find it as a function where t is a function of s. So what is the variable that we're actually going to isolate? The t or the s? Which is the input, which is the output? Since t is a function of s, what's the input? S. Okay, so we know that this is our input here. So if this is our input, when we set this up, we want to find t of s. Okay? So t is the variable we're isolating. So if we take our equation, 4s plus 15t equals 9, okay, we simply need to solve for t. So we subtract 4s from both sides, divide by 15. There is our t value. So our equation is 9 minus 4s all over 15. Okay, notice how I wrote my function notation. Since t is a function of s, I would call it t of s. Okay, so the output t is specifically dependent on what s is. Okay, and that's the equation that relates those. And if we were finding an ordered pair for just the expression itself, an input of s gives you an output of 9 minus 4s over 15. So that would be the ordered pair. You can still express all of these answers as ordered pair.